Hey Namaste guys, Chopra here and I welcome you in the new episode of TechSpeak. So let's begin. So the first news comes from Lava. Lava has announced a Design in India competition recently and it is said to feature young students and professionals. This competition is targeted towards the young and bright students to design a new smartphone that will be purely Indian. The company has kept cash prizes worth 50,000, 25,000 and 15,000 INR. So OnePlus has launched two new smart TV ranges in India, that is the OnePlus TV Y and the OnePlus TV U. These two televisions will be available in different sizes. The OnePlus TV Y is starting at the price 12,999 INR for the 32-inch variant, whereas the OnePlus TV U, offering a 4K quality video, will be priced at 59,999 INR. So the next news comes from Asus. Asus is all set to launch its new smartphone, the Asus ROG Phone 3. This phone, powered by Snapdragon 865, is expected to come on the July 22nd. And this phone is expected to have a 6.59-inch Full HD Plus display. This phone will be a gaming phone and will look pretty much similar to its previous phone, the Asus ROG Phone 2. This phone will be featuring a 144Hz refresh rate and the phone will feature a 6000 mAh battery life. Google has confirmed the launch of its new application, the Google Nearby Share. This application, inspired by the Apple's AirDrop, is an application through which you can share contacts, images and many other things. This application is already on Google Play Store for the beta testing. So the next news comes from Realme. Realme has announced that the Realme X50 Pro will be receiving Android 11 updates in the near future. The next news comes from Moto. Moto is expected to launch its new phone, the Motorola Razr 5G. This phone is expected to feature a 6.2-inch display and it is said to have the Snapdragon 765 with 8GB of RAM. It is expected to have a 256GB onboard storage and the phone is expected to come in a Mercury silver color. The phone will run on the Android 10 and it is expected to have a 48 plus 20 megapixel rear camera. Samsung has announced the launch of its new QLED TVs, which will be featuring 8K video quality in India. This television, priced at 4.99 lakhs, is available for pre-order on the Samsung official website. The Samsung has announced that it will be giving away two Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultras on the purchase of this new television. Next news also comes from Samsung. Samsung has developed a device that can actually disinfect your phones while charging them. This new device, which was recently launched in Malaysia, is priced at around 4,000 INR and this can actually disinfect your phone while you are charging it. This device uses UV sterilization to disinfect your phones and it has also claimed that it can disinfect your phone under 10 minutes. This device can also disinfect your earbuds, sunglasses, etc. So the next news comes from Samsung. Samsung has actually accidentally leaked the images of its new phone, the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. The images were leaked on the Samsung's Ukrainian website and they were leaked mistakenly. As seen in the pictures, the phone is expected to have the S Pen support and it is said to have a very sleek design. The phone is expected to have a rectangular shaped rear camera. The phone is expected to come in the Mystic Bronze color. OnePlus has announced the launch of its expected phone, the OnePlus Nord. OnePlus confirmed on its Twitter handle that it will be launching the new OnePlus Nord in the near future. This phone will be launched in India. OnePlus has made a separate Amazon page for this phone and users can sign up for notification regarding this phone. Google has recently announced new updates in the Google Meet. Recently, Google Meet received the noise cancellation update which can help users reduce the background noise while speaking. The tech giant has also confirmed that it will be launching new features such as title view of up to 49 participants, adding photos and blurring background and many more. Samsung is expected to launch its two new affordable folding phones in the near future. Samsung has confirmed that it will be launching two new affordable foldable phones and these will be the one of its kind. These phones are expected to be named the OnePlus Lite, Google's new 3D update. The search giant is taking a gigantic leap forward with the launch of support for dinosaurs from the franchise film The Jurassic World. In order to access the feature, you just need to go on the Google app and search for dinosaur and tap on view in 3D. This feature will be available on all devices running on Android 7 and above. This feature will also run on the iOS, but it will be only featuring in devices running on iOS 11 and above.